guys, today we're gonna learn about how choosing the right text editor for whatever operating system. So today we're doing plenty of them. So I'm using Firefox and as default browser and Linux. Let's start. For my opinion, I think the best code editor is Visual Studio Code. But you can also get, other, code editors or IDs like Sublime Text, the JetBrains family, Atom, Gears, and other things. So let's start with the worst and the best. So the worst, I think, in my opinion, is the JetBrains, because there is very in the JetBrains family very like some with for free, but we have other we have other things that are for terrible. For example, but for Intel.IDEA, we click Intel.IDEA. Intel.IDEA, we have download, right? We just go download. It brings us to two pages: Ultimate, the logging Java and Kotlin IDE, and Community Edition. So from what do I know, Intel.IDEA is from Community Edition, for example. But then we have WebStorm, which is web is very popular these days. We have take a download, and we only have a 30-day free trial. Imagine that. But if you're doing like Java development or Kotlin development and only Python development, this is very good. But the reason why I don't like this, because it's not every program is for free, and then other these who are not only limited to those Flink functions. For example, PyCharm is only limited to Python. Intel.IDEA is only limited to for Java or Kotlin, which is why it's made. But we can also do Python and Scala that I know for public plugins. But also we have certain IDs for certain things. For example, C++. Let's see what C++. Feed is for C and C++. Is C clone Lions, this is for C++, and we shop is from C for C++, and EduTools. So if we go to Fleet, okay, so download to Toolbox app, Linux, macOS, yeah. But there still is most things that run for free. And the only reason to get JetBrains is if you're working in JetBrains. But okay, good. So there's other popular tools like Atom, and then Sublime Text, which is also for free, but also has a paid version, and VS Code, VS Studio, and other things. But still, that's not very good. Still, now this is very good, but still. I have my own code editor over here. If we go to programming, it's called Vim. So I use VS Code, but I also use Vim. It's very good and very terminalized, but still, you can also download in Windows. I don't know how to process, but you can also do that. So that's also very good, quick code editor, but not a normal brand. Also, I would prefer this in the normal sense, because normal browsers, I know people use VS Code, Sublime Text, and other things. But yeah, but the one thing that's very good in JetBrains, it feels, most people say it feels more, it's friendly. So it feels more normal for JetBrains, programming friendly. Now we have Sublime Text. Sublime Text is the third one, but Sublime Text is just that. So install for Linux, we have Sublime Text for built-in. Okay, so Sublime Text is very good, but still, if we go, for example, install for Linux, we have where is it? Download. We have a download version, but also we have a buy version. Let's see what the buy version says. So email, but let's see what the hell. Sublime Text may downloaded and evaluated for free. However, Elixscape must be purchased for continued use. If you are looking to upgrade an external license, please visit our upgrade page. So this is the thing. Personal license keys are only available in. This basically is like any other program and every other subscription. It just gives you extra features from the paid version when you have a free version. So, and yeah, we have in the free version we have Linux, so we have all these features. And for example, if we go, where's Linux? This is all the features right here, and we have for example, direct download, 64-bit, 64-bit, 64. So we, for example, this is my 64-bit deb. So we're gonna click 64-bit deb. So it's gonna start downloading. Any other ideas, which is very good, is Atom. Atom is number second. It's made by GitHub and is very good. Atom text editor, yeah. Okay. Atom is very good. Okay, blog. So it's made by GitHub. GitHub is owned by Microsoft, so you can basically say Atom is a Microsoft product. So we have about Atom. And free trial connectors. So Atom. So testing Atom community. Oh, wait a second. Okay, these are all about, but we have to go down here and go download, of course. Windows, where is it? Sublime. Okay, so we have to Atom in up to ground. We can download it from here, but I don't believe this. So from SourceForge. SourceForge is a very good thing. I do believe in SourceForge, but yeah, we can also do it if you're in Linux and Papa Restore. We can of course we can go here and we can, for example, Atom, and we of course have Atom here, and here we have Atom. We can download it from here, but the way that I do it is, for example, where is it? Right there. Let's say sudo apt/get. This is how you start in Debian based Linux. Install Atom. So it's gonna install Atom for us. So yeah, this will install Atom for us. See, we got this. So now we're just gonna go here, and we have Atom over here. But now, how do we delete Atom? The one way that I do it. See, now we have so we just refresh. So we're just gonna uninstall. So when this is uninstalling, we just gonna do this. And this is gonna be uninstalling. So by the way, these are all of the things, so you can see what's going on. So Sublime Text at the first two things that are going. So Visual Studio. Visual Studio ID. So this is the Microsoft built the IDE. So Visual Studio for Linux, for Windows, Mac OS, and Visual Studio Code, which is also for Linux. So Visual Studio is a very good, text interface. Only made for Windows and Mac OS, but you can also get all the things that I needed from Visual Studio Code over here. Windows 64-bit, Linux 64, and more. Let's see what's in more. So we have Windows, Deb, like Linux, and and Mac. And so we have everything. This is number one, and personally I use Visual Studio Code and it is very good. So I'm not thinking to change. And just very quickly we need to delete some things. It's very good. And it's very good. There, this is my program right now, and